When the student becomes the master, you know the job is done. Hey there, Gerald here for one last time to give you the next steps and tools for your SEO future. Now we've covered all of the core topics of what is SEO, how search engines work, competitive SEO research, keyword research, backlinks, SEO audits, and monitoring and reporting on your campaigns. I feel confident you have the essentials to build impactful SEO strategies. So what's next? Having the right tools to implement all the things you've just learned. Similarweb is everything you need to build an impactful keyword strategy, benchmark against your competitors, and monitor your work to make improvements. In fact, our own in-house SEO team uses Similarweb to create top-notch content. I hope this series has given you the SEO knowledge you were looking for. Feel free to ask questions or share comments on tips you would like to know or see in the future. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below.